Sangster Tower, surface wind 060 degrees, 13 knots, clear to land, runway 0.
Yeah, man. Greetings, everyone. Hope you're having the time of your life. How are you all doing? This is Stewie coming to you again from beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica. It's another beautiful Jamaican summer day, and I'm in one of my favorite spots. I say favorite because this is one of the spots that I did my first videos originally when I started spotting airplanes and documenting Jamaica's aviation growth in video format for future generations to see. This was all the way back in 2020. My, how time flies. So here I am back at the very same spot now, enjoying it. I haven't been here for a while. One of the main reasons it's much more difficult to get to this spot now, and the vegetation has overtaken, so there's lots of trees in the area now. So I had to bring my machete out, to debush some places so I could get a good vantage point, and do some videos from this spot. 14,000 subscribers later, 4.5 million views and counting. I am back in the same spot. I must say thanks a million to the people who have been supporting me on this channel. It's with excitement I look towards your comments when I post the videos and try my best to respond to you as quick as possible. It's kind of heartwarming sometimes, the comments I get from persons, who may be on the other side of the Atlantic Ocean, who I've never met in person, but and to tell me that I'm doing something beautiful here. And the people who might be close by also see me in the road sometime, I'm spotting airplanes and people would come by and have a conversation with me. I must say it's a nice feeling to know that I'm doing something where I'm not criticizing anybody, I'm not bringing anybody down. I'm just showing what Jamaica has to offer to the rest of the world in regards to aviation. And I've gotten this much love from doing this. I must say I appreciate each and every one of you who have made this possible for me. I must use this opportunity to ask for your continued support throughout the rest of 2024 and beyond. With that said, let's take you over to the people you love to hear speak, our pilots and our air traffic controllers. Bless up, no man.
Showing 721 approaching runway 07, ready for departure.
721 Sangster Tower, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 11 knots.
Runway 07, showing 721.
One Sangster Tower, surface wind 060 degrees, 13 knots, clear to land, runway 0.
Land runway 07, JetBlue 521.
121, contact Sangster radar 120.8, take care.
8, Sunwing 721. Have a good day.
521 arrived, 54 vacate on Bravo. Confirm parking.
Turn on Bravo, gate showing number 10, JetBlue 521.
Roger, proceed Alpha, Echo Gate 10, monitor ground, frequency 121.7.
Alpha Echo to 10 and monitor ground, JetBlue 521. Thanks for tower, JetBlue.
Blue 427, thanks for tower, good morning, clear to land 07, wind 060 degrees, 12 knots.
07, JetBlue.
Morning over Spain for the IMP in runway 07.
146, thanks for tower, great morning, continue approach 07.
07, Copa 146.
Arrive at 58, vacate Alpha, confirm your gate today. Roger, that sounds great, proceed Alpha Echo, gate 8. 146, clear to land 07, wind 060 degrees, 11 knots.
Clear to land runway 07, Copa 146.
Copa 146 arrive at 02, vacate Bravo, confirm parking.
On gate 12, Copa 146.
Alpha, Echo 12, monitor ground 121.7.
Echo to gate 12 and monitor ground 1217, Copa 146. 62, 10 miles out for runway 7.
1462, thanks to tower morning, surface wind 060 degrees, 13 knots, clear to land 07.
Clear to land runway 07, United 1462.
United 1462, arrived 11, vacate on Bravo. Confirm parking today.
Gate 5, United 1462.
Roger, continue via Alpha Gate 5, monitor ground 121.7.
Alpha to Gate 5 and monitor 217, United 1462.
Visual runway 07.
875 Sangster Tower, have you in sight, wind 060 degrees, 11 knots, clear to land 07.
Clear to land 07 American 875.
An 875 arrived, tree. Vacate via Alpha, confirm parking today.
I see Alpha parking at gate.
Roger, proceed Alpha, gate 4. Monitor ground 121.7.
Alright, Alpha gate 4, monitor ground.
Alright.
Tower 370 Romeo, ready for departure.
70 Romeo, Tower Roger, clear takeoff 07, wind 060 degrees, 12 knots via Delta.
Takeoff 07, number 370 Romeo.
Delta 1997, 3500 for the RMP 07.
Delta 19907, Sangster Tower, continue approach.
Delta 1997.
Zero decimal 8.
370 Romeo.
Nine oh five. Warning, continue approach. Nine oh 55 Tower, confirm your copy, continue approach.
Roger, continuing.
19 and 907 arrive at 44 vacate Bravo, confirm parking today.
Bravo Golf 13.
Roger, proceed Alpha Echo Fox 13, monitor ground 121.7.
Echo Fox 13, ground point 7, Delta 1997.
Monitor ground 121.7. 1955, clear to land 07, wind 060 degrees, 12 knots.
Delta 959.
Sangster Tower, Roger. I see you in the turn. Continue approach, your number 2 in sequence.
Okay, we'll continue southwest 272.
One 955 arrive at 47, vacate via Alpha, confirm parking.
And 14 Delta 19.
Proceed Alpha, Echo, gate 14, monitor ground 121.7.
Echo, monitor ground 121.7.
Status 272, surface wind showing 060 degrees, 12 knots, clear to land 07.
07, southwest 272.